Bo Jackson, Tim Lincecum, and Isaiah Thomas. Professional athletes with their careers limited because current hip replacements are not designed for young patients. Our team, Champion Hip Solutions, aims to provide active young patients with an alternative that replaces the damaged hip joint with bone and cartilage from a healthy donor instead of a metal implant. The hip is a ball and socket joint connecting the femur with the pelvis. When cartilage in the joint wears down, a patient can experience debilitating pain, reduction of motion, and decreased quality of life. We have optimized the design of the femoral bone graft to best withstand load-bearing activity. With proper healing, the donor bone will grow and integrate with the patient's original bone. The patient will then have a healthy hip joint and be able to return to an active life.